Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Wow, 1,000 students joined for the first time. Okay, thank you, Sneha. Thank you, Ishwarya. Okay, okay, thanks for letting me know. My voice is low. Okay, is my voice clear now? Sir, my video is not audible. Video is not audible. Video is not visible. Okay, okay. 1K students for the first time in the for the whole 4 weeks program. I think I am shocked that 1,000 students came before 3:30. Okay, so 3:30 is the timing for attendance, and 1K students only come at 3:30. So, congratulations to you all, those who are interested when the program is almost over and you will be building your projects. Okay, when uh, you know, I was in the JavaScript class, which is like most important. Okay, your wish, no problem. See, I am not discouraging. Okay, I'm not telling you to like, I'm not condescending. I'm not telling you to, okay, you are very bad student or something. Okay, enjoy life. I'm not telling about that. Okay, but at least learn the basics. Good afternoon. Bhargav Prasad said that not received mails regarding. Don't worry, mails would be given. Okay, operations team has told me they will get the mail. Okay, because without mails you won't be able to start the project. Okay, so don't worry, some colleges are behind. Okay, Tejaswini bro, I'm not getting MongoDB Node.js developer path for smart bridge. How to get this course? Tejaswini, I've shared the, let me share the link again. Okay, see, try to be regular in class, at least have the links. Just give me a moment, I'll give you the link. Where is my note? Wait, where is? Give me a moment. I'll give you the link. Okay. Which link you want? MongoDB, na? Tejaswini. Okay, let me. The link has been misplaced. Just give me a moment. So I've pasted the MongoDB Node.js developer path link already in the chat, and also I'm pasting it in the Q&A section. Okay. So in the Q&A section, I've pasted both of them. Okay. And I have some mails pending. Okay, I have raised 10 emails only. I have not like asked a lot of doubts regarding the pending emails. So the pending emails I will do today. Okay. So if I have somehow missed your messages or something, so that is because I was busy. So I'll check more of the pending messages today. Okay. So let us start. Okay, let us revise a little bit what we did yesterday. Okay. So Satya Nikhila, you will get a mail. Okay. Please, anyone who is listening to me, projects mail you will get. Okay, you will be assigned, you will be getting a mail for projects, you will get a team ID. Okay, everything you will get. Okay, and what is this? Muskina Banu, why are you getting 600 rupees? I think you have you didn't complete it in the deadline, so it is asking for money. Otherwise, it was 100% free. Okay, I don't know why it is telling 600 rupees. Okay, okay. So Lokesh has an issue that you still have not received, Lokesh. I have already raised this. It's been, I think, a week, like 6 days. 6 days. 6 days have been absent smartinterns.com. How is it that you are not getting? Tell me more. Wait. Lokesh, I'm giving you the mic. Just give me a moment. Balam and Lokesh, I'm allowing you to unmute. Okay. Okay, unmute. Who is this? Ashapu Lokesh. You can talk, Lokesh. You can talk. Speak, Lokesh. Lokesh, you can talk. Tell me the issue. Hello.
Hi, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I'm
Tell me
already
the issue.
informed you, sir.
Yes, yes. I have already raised the issue. Okay. Actually, you are not alone. A few students are also facing the same issue, and they are also in line. So all of you guys will be like the issues should be resolved. Did you get a mail for project or anything?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Any of your friends who have not received? Others. What
No,
about
sir.
others? Have they also not received?
Uh, Actually, my brother also doing same internship, but he is
Oh,
also not getting project
okay.
mail,
Okay.
sir.
And what about Abshay Smart Interns?
He is getting login credentials.
Login credentials. Okay, okay. And you have not received the login credentials.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else? Let me write the formal mail. Okay. So same email ID na, which you have given earlier.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha, acha. Sorry about the delay. I don't know what happened. Okay. Okay, then I'll ask Balam to speak. Okay. Balam, you can speak. Lokesh, you can mute yourself. Balam, you can speak.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Sir, in apps ki Smart Engine portal, I got the mail from Data Analytics, sir. But I registered full stack, sir.
Okay. When did this happen? Last week.
Uh, 4 days before, I'm checking for project, sir. Which project I got? I'm checking in apps ki
Mm-hmm.
Smart Engine portal, sir. In that portal, it shows like Data Analytics, sir. And sir, I got the mails from both, sir, for joining the webinar.
Okay. Acha, okay. Both from both the programs you are getting data analytics also and full stack also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just give me a moment. Data.
But in AppSkey portal shows only data analytics, sir.
Okay. So
But I am
officially,
taking classes only full stack, sir, daily.
okay, wait.
Thank you, sir.
Let me check. Email ID, tell me repeat email ID.
Balam
BALM.
Tulasi, TULASI, sir. Sai Lakshmi.
TULASI
SK.
SAILAKSHMI.
Yes, sir.
At the rate.
Gmail.com, sir.
Okay, Gmail only. So you're using personal. So login credentials, just like Lokesh. Login credentials for full stack, now for full
Yes,
stack.
sir.
For full stack.
Hello.
Hello.
Can I ask Ganesh to join this meet because a lot of students are having doubts and they're not solving, right? Can I ask
You
to Ganesh?
can, if he's free, ask him once if he can join. Otherwise, I'll send all these problems to Bhagireka. See if he's free, then okay. Otherwise, I'll give all these things to Bhagireka and let us see what they say. Lakshmi.
Sir.
So, like login credentials for Apshena.
Yes, sir.
Full stack.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't have. Okay. And project, what about project email?
Sir,
Project, did you receive the mail in your Gmail about projects? Anything about projects?
no, sir.
Okay. So you will get it, okay, in this week, because from next week, project building will be starting. So you will get a mail, okay, for
Okay, sir.
project.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Thank you, sir.
you will have a team ID. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
you will have like in your college, some people will have same ID. So you have to make a project with them. So 3-4 people group project it is.
Okay,
So
sir.
same ID, like ID number one. So you will also have ID number one. Let's say Sai Vamsi or somebody else has ID number one. So you have to make a project with them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you will get a mail this week. Don't worry. Operations team has told me that everyone will get email regarding projects. Okay. So don't
Okay,
worry
sir.
about that. This problem, like I will ask operations team regarding this. Okay. So login credentials for AppShare Smart Entrance.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
I have noted it down. If there is anything now, just put it in Q&A. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can unmute now. So, guys, let us. Yes.
She want to talk. Just if any doubts they're having or not getting solved, she will talk and she'll say.
Okay. Okay, let us handle then. No problem. No problem. Let us handle it. Okay. So I have two announcements to make. Just sorry. I have not made you go.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Hi, Yada.
Hello? I thought. Hi. Hello.
Yeah, I'm Bhagya.
Bhagya. So students are telling that they have not received this Smart Interns login credentials for AppShare Smart Interns portal.
Actually, we have sent to all students.
Okay,
So
okay.
kindly inform them, kindly check their mails.
Okay, Bhagya, thank you.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, Bhagya. Thank you, Ms. Pratiksha. Thank you, Bhagya. So guys, just check the mail. They are cross-checking everything. Okay, so it's not like there are a lot of students, so they are cross-checking everything. So please be patient. Okay, that's one thing. Second thing, I have two important announcements. Okay, so tomorrow there would be a grand assessment. Okay, tomorrow there would be a grand assessment. Okay, so grand assessment would be consisting of 30. Yes, Chandu, I understand. Just give me a moment. So tomorrow there would be a grand assessment. Grand assessment has 30 questions. Okay, grand assessment has 30 questions. Okay, so please make sure you study for that. Okay, so it is just like our weekly quiz. Okay, it is just like our weekly quiz. Also, uh, today there would be a test. Okay, today there would be a weekly quiz. Who is this? Ramesh. Ramesh, don't worry, I'll post it in Q&A. Just wait. So, uh, what I was saying. So today there would be a quiz week 4 Quizly, like normal quiz. Okay. So normal quiz. Okay, like 10 questions today. Okay. Today would be a week 4 quiz. Tomorrow there would be a grand assessment. Okay. Tomorrow there would be a grand assessment. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? So tomorrow the grand assessment would take place around so around 2:30 to 4:30 tomorrow. Okay, there would be a grand assessment of 30 questions. Today there would be a grand assessment after 3:30. Okay, so clear this part. Okay, clear this much. Okay, so let us start, and yes, we will try to reach out to everyone, but you have to understand we are only two people. Okay, we are trying our best, me and Miss Pratiksha, to like clarify your doubts and everything. So let us continue. Okay, guys, we are already behind due to a lot of technical issues. Okay, we are behind. Okay, so let us start, and this MongoDB course link, I am pasting it again. Okay, again I'm pasting it in Q&A section. Okay, and I'm pasting it in what chat. Okay, okay, so let us start. Let me share my screen. Okay, and Shravanti has asked that sir, tell us about project. See, from next week in the project guiding session. Okay, I'll give an orientation like what we have to do. Okay, in the project building, what topics would be helpful, etc., etc. I'll do it. Give me a thumbs up if my screen is visible. My screen is visible. Give me a thumbs up. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So let us understand yesterday's code again. Okay. So we'll understand yesterday's code again, like what the hell have been written, because Node.js server code, it was easy. Okay, it was easy for us to understand, but this a lot of students yesterday faced this problem. Okay, so we will try to sort it out. So understand this. Okay, understand that this first line, what is this first line? Okay, this express. So express, everyone knows that it is a Node.js framework. Let me zoom in. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, so what is this? This is a Node.js framework everyone knows for making server. For making what? Servers. That's it. That is the only job of Express. Okay, I told you, right, that Express helps us to make a server. It helps us in, like, what are more things that Express helps us? It helps us in routing. Okay, and what is routing? I have told you, like, let's say there was this yesterday we did something, or day before yesterday we made an idli route. Remember idli route? Okay, or bhaji route, whatever you want. Okay, like biryani route, any route. Okay, let's say parota. Okay, my favorite. Okay, parota. So when you will attach this in your URL, okay, these things are actually different what addresses. Okay, now these things are different addresses. Okay, so this is one thing. Second is security middleware. Okay, so this Express helps in these things. Okay, understood? So routing. Okay, so these routings are actually different addresses. Okay, at Italy you have something else, at Parota you have something else. Okay, you can name it anything. Okay, any route you can make it. Okay, so that is one thing of for Express. And then what we did, so first we imported this Express. Okay, so this is import. Okay, so first we have, what we have done, we have imported this. In this line we have imported. Here what we are doing, we are initializing an app. We are starting an app. Okay, we are starting our app. Okay, so starting our app. Okay. Okay, so this is what is happening here in this line. Okay, and here what we are doing, there is this mongoose, and mongoose, let us ignore mongoose first. Let us understand these things, like what is happening here. Okay, so what is happening here, using app.use. Okay, we are starting our middlewares. Okay, what we are doing, we are starting our middlewares. This is what we are doing. Okay, and what is the middleware? What is the middleware if somebody asks you? So what is the middleware? Okay, so middleware is middleware. What is the middleware? A function which runs between something. That's it. Okay, so middleware is a function which runs between something. Okay, okay, so middleware is a function which runs between something. So actually this middleware runs between what? Between our request and response. So the middleware is here. So our middleware function, okay, our middleware function is between what? Between request and response. Okay, so this you have to, so this is running between request and response. Before it reaches request, your middleware function will run. Before it reaches to like a response, middleware function will run. Before it hits request, middleware function will run. So it is in between. It is running in between the request and the response. So what are we doing then? So first is we are using this coarse middleware. So what is this coarse middleware? Yesterday we covered coarse middleware. Okay, so what is this coarse middleware actually? It will run between request and response. Okay, what is it checking? Okay, usually for checks. Okay, middleware is implemented. Okay, usually for checks, validation, security validation. Okay, configuring validation. A lot of validations are there. Okay, but at your level, you have to understand like why are we using this middleware? Why this function should run? Why these two lines should run between request and response? Okay, so that is why is it? So there is a reason. What does CORS do is, I've already told, let me just write it down. Let's say there is a front-end developer, okay, or who is a React developer, okay. So he is making React app. So there is this React app, okay. React app, okay. Let's say there is a React app, okay, and it is in Hyderabad, okay. Then there is your backend app. What is there in the backend? Both server and what? Database, okay. And it is in, let's say, Vijayawada, okay, for some reason. Okay. So they talk with each other, React. Okay, this is your React app. So this is your front end app. So this is your browser. Your browser app is sitting here in Hyderabad, okay, for some reason. So they want to talk with each other. So this is the request coming. Request. Okay, this is a request coming from this Hyderabad, okay, and then there is a response going from your Vijayawada. So both have different domains and different what? Both have different domains, okay. Both have different domains because your front end app will be running on, let's say, 3000 port number. It is backend is running on 5000. Okay, so this is only for development because you are using your local laptop for starting the server, closing the server. In real life, it would be .com. Let's say, I don't know, www something.com. And this also would be a .com. Okay, so both are different domains and they want to talk with each other. So while they are talking with each other, while they are sending request and response, there can be attacks happening. Okay, there can be attacks. Okay, somebody can attack them. Okay, so during request and response sending, definitely somebody can do a lot of attacks like XSS header attack. Okay, DDoS attack. I forgot DDoS or DDS attack. Okay, DDS attack I can do on every, like it is very easy to do. Okay, just don't try it on government websites. Anyone can easily make a script and try it on startups, but just don't try to do it. Always use a virtual machine or a virtual computer for any of the cyber security or web security stuff. Just don't do it, okay? Because they can easily track IPs and everything. So I don't encourage doing DDoS attack, especially until unless you have a virtual computer or virtual server. I think you should know there is a virtual private server. That means computer inside a computer. So you can do that, then you can do it, okay, inside. But don't do it officially. So let's say somebody is attacking your request and response. So who will protect? CORS will protect. Okay, it will, whatever cross origin problem. Cross origin means different origin. 3000, 5000 different origin. Hyderabad different location. Vijayawada different location. Okay, so whatever cross origin means different locations, different domains attacks. So whenever that happens, CORS can easily prevent it. Clear? So it will run whenever So in this whole stuff, okay, like in between, you will see course. Course will protect. Clear this much? So this was about course, and this mongoose part we have not started. So we will write some code and we will start. And this part, I hope everyone knows about this part. We are activating our server. Okay. So I have just made a variable and I've used that variable. Okay, just to make it more clear. Clear, everyone? If you want to take screenshots or anything, you can definitely do it. But this was just like I have not taken care of my handwriting because I was just focusing on more on explaining things. Okay, so yeah, did you guys understood? Let me check. On the count of 1, 2, and 3, I'll remove this. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So just somebody let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you understood this much. We did a revision of yesterday's code. Okay. Don't worry about questions and all. I'll commit at 3:20. Okay. Just give me a moment. Right now, I have to also cover the course also, unfortunately. So, clear this much? Okay. Is Bhargav's clear? I just missed his doubt. Yesterday also he was asking. Bhargav, somewhat clear? Sheikh, Bhargav, Medavi, these people. Lokesh, all these people. Okay. So, okay, somebody did a dislike. Okay. Please put it.
Sorry for disturbance. Upstream is asking, is there YouTube streaming student able to join or not?
Okay, let me ask. Guys, are you able to join? Okay. Guys, are you able to join the YouTube stream? Just ask your friends.
Because I'm unable to see on YouTube.
Okay.
No.
Guys, are you able to join? No. Some students are saying no. Some students are saying yes. YouTube not working.
YouTube not working. That's why I'm taking confirmation from students. As that I'm checking, it's not working. They are saying they launch YouTube session. Just check your internet connection.
Okay. Let me check. Huh? My internet is okay only.
I said
from my side.
They are saying.
What they're saying?
They're saying it's due to network only.
Network only. But okay, from my side, it is working. Tell them. Okay, YouTube is working. Some people are saying YouTube are working.
Okay. I'll check.
Thank you. Okay, guys. So, YouTube. Some people are saying YouTube is working. Some people are saying YouTube is not working. Okay, it is working. Okay, Krishna Vini is telling it is working. So, okay, guys. Let me check Q&A. Okay, I'll check it at 3:20. Just give me a moment. So this was one thing. Second part is this, okay, which is what? This part, okay. What is this mongoose actually? Okay, what is this mongoose? So like, see, your normal, like there is code, okay. There is code. The program that you have written, then there is your database. Okay, there is your database. Okay, this is your database. Okay, and this is your code. Okay, some program that you have written. Okay, so to talk with your database, okay, that will happen in your code only. Okay, the talking with your database will happen in the code only and on the server side only. Okay, on the server side you will talk with database. Okay, using queries. Okay, using what we call as queries. So you will have database queries, okay, like find Krishna Veni's phone number, or find in which section Krishna Veni is studying. Okay, so I will have a query that db dot find Krishna Veni, name is Krishna Veni, where his age is 22, something like that. Okay, so these queries are put inside this code only. Okay, so these queries will talk. And then what is this mongoose? So mongoose, I don't know if you have seen, is very fast. Okay, mongoose is a fast rodent. Okay, that is why it is able to like kill snakes also. So if you have seen mongoose, it is like I don't know if you have seen it, like this. Like it has a very streamlined body. Okay, so it has very streamlined body, very small ears and all. Okay, so it has very streamlined body and something like that. It is like a squirrel type, but it has a long tail and all. So it is very fast. So normal code, okay, that we write for MongoDB connection. Okay, MongoDB connection. Those who have watched the videos of the learning path, okay, they would know that it uses something called as Mongo client. Okay, Mongo client. Okay, it uses Mongo client. Okay, to talk with this database. Okay, so in the code you have to write this Mongo client. Okay, so inside the code you have to use Mongo client. Okay, so what happens? Okay, what happens is that somewhat it is like not very fast. Okay, not very secure. Okay, and also it is somewhat slow. Okay, I've already told it is fast, meaning same meaning. Okay, so then why are we using this mongoose? Okay, is the first reason I've told you, like there is a cycle, right? There is a cycle. Okay, so there is a cycle. Okay, like this cycle, something like this. Okay, so there is a cycle. Okay, so this is your normal Mongo client, which I have told. Okay, it is the official. Okay, it is the official. You can search it online. It is the official way to connect your app. But we will use Mongoose. Okay, which is like a. Where is there any text? Which is like a super bike. Okay, so the cycle has an engine also. It is like a bike. So like there will be like this, something like this. There would be a bike, like proper bike. Okay, something like this. So it is like a bike. Okay, and this is your cycle. Okay, so the bike is faster, which is this bike is the mongoose. Okay, so why would we use this slow one? We will use this fast. So this mongoose library will help us to make it more fast, add more security, add more validation. There are a lot of stuff. If you will deep dive, there is pre-post methods. Okay, when you will be working inside companies. Okay, there's a lot of validation methods that you will use. But for student-based projects, like no need to get into high-level stuff. But in the companies, you will definitely use a lot the mongoose. So let us write some mongoose code, okay, and understand it more clearly. Okay, so I'll just on the count of 1, 2, 3, I'll delete 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Sorry for disturbance again. You have to. The live streaming option is there in your screen. That three dots are there, no? Go for the live stream.
Connect to YouTube.
YouTube. Connect to YouTube.
Connect to YouTube.
Okay.
It is asking. Okay. I think
You have to add Ganesh credentials there.
Okay.
YouTube, go for YouTube.
In the YouTube only now.
No. On the screen, 3 dots are there, na? There itself you are feeling your here. Go for YouTube, connect to YouTube.
Live stream first. I'll connect to live stream.
Yes.
Okay, then connect to YouTube.
Yes.
Wait. Button is disabled due to some reason.
You log in with your account now in YouTube. That's why. Okay, if you are having Ganesh login credentials, send me. I will.
No, I do not have.
Okay. Okay, you continue. I'll ask to Anjali and I.
Okay. I have logged out, by the way. Okay, thank you. So, where were we? Let us write more code. Okay, so what we will do, everyone I think has this code, particularly I've shared it in the drive. Okay, if you want, I can paste it in the chat also. So let us do the MongoDB connection. Okay, so MongoDB connection. Okay. Okay, so MongoDB connection. Now what I will do, here I will use mongoose only. So I'll write mongoose. Okay, dot connect like this. Okay, mongoose dot connect. Okay, and then first let me run the server. So let me run the server. Let me see it. Advise my server. Just give me a moment. So I will start the server. So node1 server.js, or you can use npm run dev, your wish. So there's some issue. Express cannot be found. Wait, what? Let me check. Express is there. There must be some issue. Okay, got it. See, the problem is I do not have node modules folder. Okay, without node modules folder, you cannot do anything. Always install node modules folder. Okay, see, node modules folder is installed. Okay, then only it will run. Now what I will do, run the server. Okay, again it crashed. Again it got crashed. Again it got crashed. Why? Okay. Sorry, I have not provided anything. It is empty, so it is crashing. I'll just move it down. So in this mongoose.connect, I will add a connection string. So I will write mongodb colon /localhost colon 27017. Okay. In interviews and in general, you should know what is this 27017. So this 27017 is the local host address. Okay, this is the port number of MongoDB. This is the port number of MongoDB in your laptop. MongoDB community server everyone has in their laptops. So this is the one. Okay. And here we will like write, let's say, what should I write? Let's say Pokemon. Okay. Pokemon DB, Pokemon database, and save it. Okay. So server is running on port 5000. I am getting it. So now what has happened? Code is connected to database. Okay. Your code is connected to database in line number 10. This is what has happened. Okay. Now see, now what we will do, we will also design a blueprint. Okay. We will also do one thing, which is design a blueprint for our database. Okay. Meaning how our database should look like. Okay. We will do it. How our database should look like. Okay. So we will design a blueprint that is called as schema. Okay. Do you guys remember Chitti in Robot movie by Shankar? Chitti. So Chitti is a robot. Okay. Wait, let me see if anybody has watched. You guys give me a thumbs up if you have watched Chitti and you are understanding the reference. Okay. So I'll just give you an example of that. So everyone just be alert. Okay. Because if you understand it now as a developer, you will never forget it. So understand this, that like so Chitti, okay, like there's Chitti. Sorry. So there is this Chitti, okay. Okay, so there is this Chitti. Okay, so there is Chitti. Okay, so he's Chitti. Okay, so Chitti has a blueprint. Do you know the name of this blueprint? Like who was the villain in Chitti? I forgot. There was this doctor, right? Who was Doctor like Dr. Rajini's mentor, who was rejecting Chitti in DRDO presentation. I forgot the name. So he was after something. Okay, I forgot. Okay, so he was after Chitti's neural schema. Okay, neural schema. Okay, so he was after Chitti's neural schema. Okay, so he was after Chitti's neural schema. Okay, the blueprint. So the villain was after. So the villain was after. Okay, so that doctor was after neural schema. Okay, so he has it signed on eyes on neural schema. So he changed the blueprint of Chitti and made it 2.0. Okay, so the blueprint was changed. Similarly, this schema is also the blueprint of your database. How your database will look like. For example, your database should have name. Okay, your database should have what? Your database should have name, okay, address, okay, okay, age, okay, and what, etc., etc. So you have to make it, you have to confirm that okay, a name, address should be there, nothing more should be there, only name, address should be there in the database. You have to confirm by making a blueprint that name, address should be there. Okay, somewhat not clear. Okay, so name, age, job, okay, something else like address. That's it. Do not add more or anything. Okay, so you are making a blueprint. Like when we make a building, okay, so there is this building. We make a design now. We design this building. So we make a blueprint. Okay. Then only we will confirm that model. Then only we confirm that model. After blueprint, it becomes model. Okay. So this schema, okay, we will use mongoose method, mongoose.schema method, and to make the blueprint. Clear? Understood? So we will make a blueprint for our database. Okay, like this is how my database should be designed. So if anybody is let's say entering something else, like somebody else is entering let's say what, let's say marital status or something, marital status. So this won't be entered in the database. Why? Because only these things are allowed: name, job, address. No marital status. No. Because in the blueprint you have told no, only name, age, job, and address should be there. Okay. Sorry, I got too ramped up, but you get my point. So, and on the count of 1, 2, 3, you can see, but let me check if people are understanding or not. Did you guys understood? Hello. Wait. Are you guys? Did you guys understood? Put it in the chat box. Let me see. Okay, Monica understood. Okay, Bhargav is asking once more explain. Okay, I'll explain. Okay. Did you guys understood? So understood everyone. So we will make a blueprint. Okay. Okay. Explain once. Okay, Mahant is asking. Okay. Okay, I'll explain once. Understand this. Okay. Let us write it. This chitty example, by the way, hope you guys understood. I'll clean it out. Okay. So understand. Let us write something once more so that you can understand. Sorry. So let us understand this more. So what I will write something first. Okay. Then I will explain more. So let's say Pokemon schema. So Pokemon blueprint of the database we will build. So the syntax is like this: new mongoose.schema. That's it. Call it. That's it. Okay. Inside this, I will make an object. Inside this, I will make an object which will have name, image, and type. Okay. So I will write an object name key. Name should be a string. Name should be a string like this. Then type should be a string. Okay. So if somebody is putting number type, if somebody is putting number, it will not accept. The database will not accept this. It will show an error. Type is done. Image, okay, image. So we are making a Pokédex app. Something like this, okay. So this is now our blueprint is ready. So this is our blueprint. It is our blueprint. Okay. Okay. So this is done. So let me explain again. Bhargav and a lot of Mahat also asked. So let me explain it again. Okay. So see, this is our blueprint. Okay. This is our blueprint. See, what is a blueprint? Okay. Understand that when we make, let's say, a car has to be made. So people design that car. Let's say there is a car. Okay. You want to make a car. Okay. You want to make a car. Okay. So first they design the car. Okay. And make a blueprint out of it, or vice versa. So they make a blueprint, then they start building. Then they start building it. Okay. So first step is like make a blueprint of anything, any building, any robot, any car. So there is a blueprint. Then they finalize that. Then they make a final. Okay. They final it. Okay. So they final it. They said, okay, now it is final. Then they start building. Okay. Then they start building. Okay. Then they start building. Okay. So first they make a blueprint. Then they make it. Then they finalize that particular blueprint. Okay. And then they make a building. Okay. So here we are making a blueprint. It is not finalized. It is a blueprint. It is not finalized. So this is how your DB will look. Okay, this is how your database will look. It will have only 3 keys. That's it. It will have only 3 keys. Okay. Then how will we finalize it? So the next step is to make a model. Okay. Model means finalized. Final. You have made the schema finally. Okay. So let us make it final, everyone. Let us make it final. Okay. How will I make it final? By modelizing it. So I will write here const Pokemon is equal to mongoose dot model, like this. Okay. So now it is final. We are finalizing the blueprint. Finalizing the blueprint. Okay. So we have finalized the blueprint. We have said, okay, everyone agrees there should be only 3 keys: name, type, image. That's it. And then model. Okay, mongoose.model. And inside the model, I will first write the model name, and then I will write what is the schema name. Second option, it is asking what is the schema name? Pokemon schema, which I have written it here. That's it. So this is my Pokemon schema. Okay, that's it. Okay, so these are the things that you have to understand, and we will test it. We will test it. So we have finalized everything. Now our database is ready to use. Okay, now our database is ready to use. You have connected. Okay, you have made a blueprint. You have finalized it. Now you are ready to use the database. So let us use it. Okay, let us use it, and let me shift these middlewares. Not here. I'll cut it out. I'll post it. Where should I post it? I should post it here. Okay. So that you can actually see. Okay. So this is my database. Now what I will do, I will make the routes. Okay. Now I will make the routes. Okay. So let us make the route. So first route we will make is create data. Okay. Create data. In our case, create Pokemon. So we will create a Pokemon. How to create a Pokemon? we will use HTTP methods. I have told some of the HTTP methods earlier. Okay, it is a standard way of talking. Okay, with the web. Okay, so we will use HTTP method. Okay, so which HTTP method we will use? HTTP get method. Sorry, post method. HTTP post method. Okay, so what I will do, I will write app.post. App.post. Okay, I am using Express app, and then I am using the method. So it is asking me what is the path, what is the address. So let me give the address front slash, let's say API Pokemon. Okay, we are making our own API. So API Pokemon, comma. We have to make a request and response also for this particular method. So I've written comma and I have added a callback function. Okay, I've added a callback function. Also, this function would be asynchronous in nature because we'll be using like it can take time. Okay, anything can take time. Okay, and as we discussed in promises, if things take a lot of time, we have to handle it only two ways, which is resolve and reject. Either it is okay or not okay. So we are using async. Okay, and inside this I will write request and response like this. Okay, so everything is done. Similarly, I will make a route for what? I'll copy paste. I will make a route for reading the data. Okay, so we want to read the data, we want to get Pokemon data. Okay, so I will use which HTTP method? HTTP get method. Okay, same address, but one thing I will change is this. Instead of app.post, I will use app.get get. Okay, because get method is the standard protocol for getting. Okay, similarly there is updation, deletion, all these things. Okay, same stuff. Okay, no change, nothing. Okay, clear? So these two lines. So in case you are uncomfortable about this post and get, we have already covered this in promises, but just in case you forgot, like what is this HTTP? So HTTP module, remember we used it to make server. So see, what is HTTP? HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol. Transfer protocol. What is protocol? What is protocol? What is the protocol? What is protocol? Like see, always try to ask why. Okay, why? What is this? What is that? Always try to ask questions. Okay, so see, in layman terms, okay, this protocol can be said that communication, uh, proper sorry proper rules of communication. Okay, something like this. Okay, so like protocol, understand that, let's say that okay, like I'll make you understand what is protocol. Okay, see, let's say there is two person. Okay, let's say there is this Medhavi. Okay, so this is Medhavi. Okay, and then there is let's say Lokesh. Okay, so there is Medhavi. Okay, this is Medhavi, let's say, and this is let's say Bhargav Prasad. Okay, let's say, or Lokesh, whatever you want. Okay, so okay, so there is a protocol of talking. Protocol of talking. There is a protocol of talking. What is the protocol? a common language. Common language. Okay, so the protocol of talking is a common language between each of them. Okay, so there is a standard way of talking. Okay, so let's say that both of them speak what? Let's say both of them speak Telugu. Okay, both of them speak Telugu. Okay, so if let's say one of them do not know Telugu, let's say Medavi does not know Telugu. Okay, no Telugu. Telugu baga radu. Okay, no Telugu. Okay, but he knows Telugu. So there is non-uniformity. Uniformity is not there. Uniformity is not there. Okay, uniformity is not there because one person does not know Telugu. He knows Telugu. Okay, so for both of them to talk, they should know a common language. To talk with a browser, and a server, there is a common protocol. Sorry, not here. There is a common protocol, which is these methods: post, get. Browser can actually identify them, server can identify them. Both of them can talk with these methods. Both browser and server can talk. It is like Telugu for them. It is like English for them. It is like Hindi for them. It is like Marathi for them. Okay, they can talk with each other. That is the common HTTP protocol. It is like a common language. Okay, so post method both can understand. Get method both can understand. Delete method both can understand. Okay, so post means what? Creating something. Get method means reading something or getting the data. Delete means deleting. Update means updating. Sorry if I got a little bit fast, but you get my point. Somewhat you got, like, what is this HTTP all about? So both browser and server talk in HTTP methods, okay, for reading, creating, deleting, updating, etc. Okay. Somewhat let me, you can take a screenshot at 1, 2, 3. Let me share the attendance and all. Okay, so Miss Pratiksha has already shared the attendance on what? YouTube, as well as this Zoho also. Okay, so let me see if people are understanding. You can take a screenshot. I am deleting it. You can take a screenshot. Okay, let me ask. Did you guys understood about HTTP? Just let me know in chat. Okay, Kiran. What about others? Did you guys understood about HTTP? So HTTP is like a common way of asking. If you like Google also this, okay, you won't be confused. Okay, sorry. Okay, what is this? High pressure. Okay, so in school also you must have heard, like, this is how they like actually talk, client and server. Okay, like, okay, so I have just simplified it. So understand that it is like a language for client and server to talk. Okay, like standard way of talking. Okay. Sir, I completed quiz 1, but it displays does not attempt the quiz. Who's this? Tala Punini. Quiz 1? Quiz 1 of week 1. You're telling? Okay, understood. Sneha, understood. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Talapureni, I have no idea regarding this. Quiz 1, you're talking about the week 1 quiz. Why didn't you inform earlier? Okay, let me see what I can do. Okay, quiz 4 link. Okay, wait. Let me ask. So I'll stop sharing that screen. I'll share the attendance link has been shared, I think. If not, let me check. Attendance link is posted, right? I think by Ms. Pratiksha.
Yes, I shared in Zoho also and in YouTube also.
Okay, guys, Ms. Pratiksha has shared the attendance link. Okay, guys, please look into it. I'll give you 3 minutes to fill the form. Just do it. I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Then I'll see the chat once.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
I'm pasting link in YouTube, but it is not showing to others.
Okay. No problem. I'll show them in Notepad once. Just
Nice.
Okay, guys. So there's a problem on YouTube pasting. So actually, chat is moderated, so sometimes it does not get pasted. So what I will do, I'll show the link on Notepad, you guys. Okay, you guys try to see the URL. Okay, you guys try to see the URL. Okay, so just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. So I'm sharing my screen and just see the attendance link. Okay, on my screen. Okay, you can use Google Lens or anything. Okay, you can use Google Lens or anything to take the attendance. Okay, same goes for Zoho guys as well as YouTube guys. Okay, so sometimes there is this chat moderation problem that you cannot copy paste the link again and again. So you can just see the form. Okay, take a picture, use Google Lens or something. Okay, I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Just do it. Okay, I think a lot of you have done the attendance. Okay, some people have raised hands. Okay, if you have any problem, let me see the chat once again. I'm facing issues in IBM skill. What issue? Looks okay. This is the course. Course 4 link, like I'm asking, I think it is delayed for tomorrow. So I think tomorrow you'll have to attempt both of the quizzes. Okay, if I get the quiz update, I'll help. So Rohit has also helped with quiz. I think quiz 4 tomorrow. Okay, both quiz 4 and the grand assessment, that is compulsory. Okay, grand assessment is more important. Okay, so let me just quickly go back to our code. Somebody is speaking something. So let us go back to our code. Okay, so we have to create this. Okay, so how can we create this data? Okay, so we will look into it. So first step is that there should be a form. Okay, there should be a form in which user types. Okay, so that forms comes from request.body. Okay, I will use an extension. Okay, you can also install. Everyone just install Thunder client. Okay, everyone install this extension called as Thunder client. We will test our API. Testing is also important. We'll try to test it. Okay, so there is this Thunder client. Okay, test API. Okay, so there's this Thunder client. Everyone install it. You will have this Thunder icon in your VS Code. Install this Thunder client. Okay, install it. Then what we will do, you will have this Thunder client icon also. So we will try to mimic our React app first. Okay, so there is a form, okay, which is in the front end, form in the front end app. Okay, in the front end app. Okay, in which the user types. Okay, so we will also try to create that form. So what I will do, I'll write const new Pokemon. New Pokemon is equal to new, and then I will use this model name, this line number 23. So I will use this model name. Okay, this model name, line number 23. See, we have finalized the database model now. So I will use this model, and inside this model, I will use that request.body like this. Okay, so this is like a new information save. Okay, then what I will do, I will save this new data. So I'll write save, saved Pokemon, something like that. Saved Pokemon, and I will use await keyword because I am using asynchronous function. So async await both are pairs, and then I will use new Pokemon dot save. So we will save this data, the data that we have received. Okay, and then I will give a response.json, and here I will let's say write a message like Pokemon saved successfully. Pokemon saved successfully, and in the data I can show that saved Pokemon. So I'll let data saved Pokemon, something like this. Okay, So what I'm doing, okay, let us understand each of these things, but let us also understand this in action. So what is actually happening here? Okay, if you look here, so we are simply, sorry, just simply look here. Okay, so first in this rec dot body, what is this request dot body? So actually from the front end app, okay, like on the front end app, okay, there would be a form, like there is a login form, sign up form, remember? So there is a form, okay. So in that form, like Pokemon data would be there. That form would be sent to server, okay. So this rec dot body, this rec dot body has the form data that the user has sent, that the user has written, okay. So there would be a form. This is the form, this one, okay. And then we are in the next step. So this is the first step. The next step is we are saving the data, okay. We are saving the data, okay. And all of these things, don't you get worried whenever you see all this stuff is already there in Mongoose docs, okay. Oh, sorry, Mongoose docs. It is already there in the Mongoose documentation. This is not a code that I am like pulling it out of my mind or something, okay. So this is a, see, this is the proper, like everything is there, okay. This is the starter kit which we are using, okay. This is the thing that we are using, right? So if you just look here, if I go to schemas, see, this is the schema that we used, Mongoose schema, okay. So this is the thing that anything that you want, you can easily write. Let's say save, where it is, it would be in query. Now let me check where it is. No, it is not here. It is not here. It would be here somewhere. Just go through the documentation if you are confused. Let us go back. So this is the new Pokemon.save, and then we are sending a response. Okay. So in this line, what we are doing is here we are this line. Okay. We are sending a response to front end, which is a React app. Okay. So we are sending that response. Okay. So this is what we are doing. So see, in action, you will understand it more. When we will do it in action, you will understand it more. So let us do it in action. Everyone, just open this Thunder client. Okay, everyone, open this Thunder client. Okay, so this is Thunder client. Okay, just click on this button of Thunder client and click on this new request button. Click on this new request button, everyone. Click on this new request button and you see this get method, change it to post method, and this URL also we will change. So just make sure it should not be HTTPS, it should be HTTP, no S. Okay, you have not deployed it, no S. Okay, S is secure protocol. This is not secure, this is our local environment. So remove the S, colon /localhost colon 5000 for our server. And what is the URL? API Pokemon /API Pokemon. Save it. Okay. So we have this URL. Okay. You can use Control S to save. Now let us go to body, everyone. Go to this body. Go to this body, everyone. So in the body, what we have to enter? In the body, what you have to enter? Make sure it is body as well as JSON. Okay, we are communicating with our server, with our front end through JSON. Okay, that is a common data linked. So this post is done. Where is that? So there is name, type, and image. This is your database design. So this is how information also should be put. So name, type, and image, everyone. Name, type, and image in string format. So let us do it. Double quotes, name, colon, Pikachu, comma, double quotes, type, colon, electric, okay, then comma, comma, wait, why is this not okay? And then image in double quotes, sorry, image. It's 25. Okay, so here what I will do, I will attach a URL of Pikachu. So let me check. Okay, just give me a moment. So Pikachu image. Okay, any image. Okay, I'll just copy the link. Okay, and I will save. Now you will click on this send button, everyone. So you will click on this send button. Everything is okay. Everything is double quoted. Then click on send. See, I got a response. I got a response 200 okay. And I got a message Pokemon saved successfully. Pokemon saved successfully. Okay. So I got data, name Pikachu, type electric. Everything is saved successfully. Similarly, if I want, I can save anything. Okay. So let's say I can save Charmander also. Charmander type is fire. So it is working. My connection post is working. Okay. Okay. And I'll write a Charmander image. Okay. Charmander image. Okay. Charmander image. And I will paste it in the link. Okay. Now I'll click on send. Charmander is also saved. Now I want to see this data. So I hope everyone has Compass. Okay. We installed Compass, remember? So in the MongoDB Compass, what I will do, I will see. Okay, I will see. Okay, what was my connection name? Pokemon DB, right? See, this is my connection name, Pokemon DB. So let me just connect and check. Okay, so I'll just copy this. Okay, add a new connection. And I'll write it Pokemon. And I'll make it orange. So you can there is a new connection option, so you will use this connection string. Okay, this is the connection string. Okay, and you will use this same for new connection. Okay, I'll show you again. When you open Compass, you have this add new connection option. You click on add new connection, and inside this URI you paste this Pokemon DB. Now in the name option you can put Pokemon, and you can put orange here, save and connect. Okay, so just give me a moment. So we have this Pokemon DB. Now let us open this Pokemon DB. It has Pokemons and it has both Pikachu and Charmander. Let us save once more. One more we save. Okay, like okay, just for checking anything. X, Y, Z. Okay, let me press send. So this is also there. Now let me refresh. See, random name also generated, and I can delete it here. Okay, it is a GUI tool. Compass, you can delete it here only. There are CRUD operation you can perform here only, but we will not do it. We will do it in the code itself. Okay. So this posting data, any problem in posting data? Any problem in posting data? Let me check. Sorry. Are you facing any problem in posting the data in Thunder Client? Are you able to test your API? Okay, Yasin has some problem. Error. Name, type, image, file, everything is correct. Localhost 5000, everything is correct. Is your server running? Your server should also run. My server is running. Is your server running? Check. Once rerun your server and check. Show me the screenshot. Yasin, you restart your server and check again. Repeat once again. Okay, okay. Anyone else? Next week, Satvika. Next week. Next week projects. Okay, Meenamant. Okay, okay. Tomalapalli. How to get new request? New request? Mini? How to get new request? Yes, I think they access. I don't know. Good, good. Who is this? Very nice. Allu. Good. Good job. So some people are getting, some people are seeing the errors. Okay, I'll just quickly show you. Okay, I'll just quickly show you. So some people are getting errors. Okay, see, your server should be started. Okay, your server, you should be able to see the server. You should be able to see the server. Okay, now let us read the, instead of reading it on Compass, let us read it here only. So remember this reading data get. Let us read some stuff. Okay, so let us read it. Okay, so let us read the stuff. So what we will do, same thing. Okay, so we will try to read stuff, but it is very easy. I just have to read the data. So I'll just write it like this: data in the get and Pokemon dot find, like this, and I'll keep it empty. So this will return all the Pokemons. Okay, and then you will have to send the response. That's it. Response dot JSON message. Okay. list of Pokemons is here. Okay, comma data colon data, like this. That's it. Okay, that's it. And if you are confused about methods, I have already told, like, there is this queries, remember mongoose queries. See, there is this model.find. If I click on it, you will see an example. Okay, so you will see an example where it is. See, so if I use this empty find, okay, if I use this empty find, what I will see? If I use this empty find, what I will see? I will explain once again, don't worry. If I use this empty find, it will return everything. If I type the name inside it, it will only return that item. This is like a where statement. Okay. If you want, I can share the link. I can share the link in chat. Okay, and similarly in Q&A also. Okay, so let us check now. So now what you have to do after writing this code everyone has written, you can take a screenshot also. So this is for reading the data. Now what we will do, we will try to make a new request, everyone. Okay, so what I suggest is copy this link, copy the previous link, okay, make a new request and paste the link, and don't do anything. Don't do anything. It should be get, okay, because the URL is same. See, API Pokemon. Let me just close this so that you can see. See, API Pokemon, both of the URL is same. Only thing is that we are returning here, and here we are saving the data. Here we are just finding the data and returning everything. Okay, clear? And then we are giving a response. So let me just see. This is the one. I'll click on send. See, I got all the list of the Pokemons here. See, Charmander also and Pikachu also. Clear? Now, if I want to delete it, you can delete it. If you want to update it, you can update it. Okay. If let me just do it a little bit like this. So I also, you can rename this. So there is 3 dots in the Thunder client. You can rename this. So I'll write create a Pokemon. Create a Pokemon. 3 dots. Get Pokemon data. Like this. Okay. So I can create another Pokemon like this, send. And if I click on send again, see, I can see the data. But the problem is now that I have to delete it also. So let us do it once again. If you want to copy paste stuff, you can copy paste it. Okay. But I will write it again, app dot, let's say, update. Okay. So we will update the data. API Pokemon and colon ID. Okay. Async callback like this. Okay. So this is pretty complex, this colon ID. Okay. So I will make 2-3 more examples out of it so that you can at least understand this update one. Okay. And there is another one which is delete. App dot delete. Okay. So both I will use an ID to, so it will like update by finding the Pokemon ID, and the another one is it will delete by finding the Pokemon ID. Okay, so it will delete by ID. Another one will be updating it by ID, and in the callback I will write rec comma res, and here also I will write rec comma Yes. Clear? So this is what I will do, and same steps for everything, but the only method is that method will change. So method that I will use is this. Where is Mongos? Where is queries? So method that I will use is find by ID and update. Find by ID and update. Okay. Find by ID and update. This is what I will use. Find by ID and update. Where it is. So this is the example. So there should be an ID name. Okay. What new data you want to put. Okay. And some options. So let's say I want to change Pikachu to Raichu. So Pikachu's ID should be here and new data would be name is Raichu. Okay. If I want to update Pikachu to Raichu, Pikachu's ID should be here and Raichu's name should be here. Okay, we will do that now. Okay, so I will open this update one. Okay. Sorry. Why do I forget everything? So there is no update, there is put method, guys. Okay, there is no update method. There is only like get, post, put and delete. Okay, put and patch. There is nothing as update. Okay, in HTTP methods. Okay, it was just an error from my side. There is put and patch. Okay, patch is like a very minimal data you want to update, and put is like a very large data you want to update. Although patch is very much complex, so we are only using put to update. So I will write. Okay, first we will console log this ID. What is this ID? Okay, so let me write. So ID. What is the ID now? Comma. So I will write rec dot ID. Okay, rec dot params. Okay, let it be params only. You just write ID rec dot params. Okay, you just do it like this. We will first console.log and see what is happening. Okay, we'll console log this and we will see first. Okay, clear everyone? So we will okay. Okay, so rec.params, what is this rec.params? So understand that what is this ID, we will understand it. So I'll click on new request and here I will write put. Okay, there is nothing as delete here. I will write it like this, and then here I will write my name. You can also try it yourself. Okay, just write put, and after API Pokemon, write your name and click on send. So it will process, but open your terminal and you will see something. ID is Yatharth. What is this ID? This is Yatharth. Okay. So what I will do, I will change this ID to let's say Thaman. So Thaman is a composer. Na? So I am writing here colon Thaman. Okay. And any song that he has composed, I will put it here. Okay. In the URL. So I will write, let's say, Dabidi something. I don't know. I literally do not know any songs. Okay. So I'm just writing it. Dabidi something. Okay. Baleya song. So I'll just save it. Now I will send again and see Thaman is Dabidi. That means what you write here in the URL in this function is the key. Okay, and this rec.params is like in the rec.params is what? Rec.params has what? This rec.params is this Dabidi. That means whatever you write in URL. Okay, so I am using any example. You can take any other songs. Okay, like let's say I don't know. Jay Balia. I don't know any song. Let's say a KGF song. Okay, something like that. KGF song, something like that. Okay. So KGF song. I'll click on send. See, Thaman is KGF song. So what is this rec.parems? Whatever you will write in URL, whatever you will write in URL is rec.parems. Okay. Okay. And the key is what you give in app.put. Okay. So if I write here ID, the key will be what for KGF song? The key will be what for KGF song? It would be ID. Okay. If I write here Rocky, the key will be like this. Okay. So the object would be like Rocky colon KGF 2. Okay. And here what we are doing? Here what we are doing? ID. Okay. And ID is like whatever ID, Pokemon ID we have. Okay. So let me check. So you see this ID now, object ID. We will use this as an ID. Okay. So ID would be number like 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this. Okay. So this is what we are doing. So I'll write here ID like this. That's it. Okay. So the ID is this rec.parems dot ID. Why dot? Because it is the key. Okay. It is the key. rec.parems.id is the key. Okay. So I will again write, let's say const updated is equal to await Pokemon dot find by ID and update. This method I am using, find by ID and update. Okay. So it will use the ID number rec.parems.id. This is the ID that you have provided in the URL. Okay. And then I will write rec.body. That is the new data that I will write in request.body. That's it. Okay. That's it. So rec.body is the new data. Rec.parems.id is the filter. So I will again write res.json and simply I'll write let's say updated data, updated, something like this. Okay. So this is much more better and we will understand it also. So what I will do here, instead of this KGF song, I will put an ID. Okay. I will put an ID. Let's say Pikachu's ID. We want to make Pikachu to Raichu. So let me just copy this ID. Copy. Okay. Copy. I've copied the ID. I'll paste it here. Okay. Body I will go and I will write new stuff, right? So name would be Raichu. Type is electric only. Electric only. And for image, I will leave it empty for now. I'll save it. And then I will click on send. So see, this is the updated data, but it is showing me Raichu. Let me check here. Okay, it has been added. And see, Pikachu has been removed. There is no Pikachu. There is no Pikachu. Okay, so this is the old data. Okay, this is not updated data. It is not returning that. Okay, due to some reason. We will look into it, what is happening, and see the ID is this. Okay? This is our ID, which I have pasted from the compass. Okay. So this is how you do it. Also, like take this delete ID as a homework. Okay, let me just resolve the doubts. Okay, it must be very confusing. So let me just quickly see if people have doubts or not. Okay, let me look into the Q&A first. Okay, somewhat some people understood. Did you guys understood? Like, see, it is back at today's like example was much more complex. Okay, I have already introduced a lot of concepts yesterday. Give me some thumbs up if you understood something, and let me look into the Q&A now. So testing process in APIs in Thunder, Nagasai Trivinidhi. Sir, show the testing process and APIs in Thunder. Okay. So Nagasai is asking. To show testing process in APIs in Thunder client. Okay. So look into this Nagasai Trivedi. See, this is my Thunder client. Okay. This is my Thunder client. So what I am doing is, okay. See, what I am doing is very simple. See, first I have created a Pokemon. Okay. I've created a Pokemon and I am providing this rec.body. Okay. I'm providing this. If you just look into the code of posting data, you will see this rec.body. So this is the data that we are giving. Then it is getting saved. So if I just go to create a Pokemon and if I write here Bulbasaur leaf type Pokemon something. Okay. And if I click on send, see Bulbasaur is updated. And it should be a post data. Then if I go to get and if I click on send, I will see the Bulbasaur data somewhere. See, Bulbasaur is added. Okay. And everyone is getting this underscore unique ID. So this is called as object ID. And it is very unique ID that is given by MongoDB. Okay. So in your database, you have all the things. So if I'll just see in Compass also, if I click on refresh, see Bulbasaur is added. Okay. Bulbasaur is added. Now what? Now what? Updation. So Raichu is updated. Let us update something else. Let us update Charmander. Okay. So I will copy the ID of Charmander and I will make it Charizard. So let me just paste it. And here I will write in the body Charizard type is fire. Send it. Okay. So Charizard has been there. How will I know? Let us go back. Click on refresh. See, no Charmander. Charmander has been replaced by Charizard. Charmander has been replaced by Charizard. Okay, I don't know if you are able to see. Just see. Okay, there is no Charmander. Charmander has been replaced by Charizard. Same object ID. Okay, Nagasai. So this is how we test it. Okay, there are a lot of parameters in testing. Okay, in testing we also test JWT authentication, authorization, private headers, a lot of stuff. Okay, so let me check more queries. Sir, I have not received any project mail, sir. Lokesh, you will get it. Okay, who is this? Harshavardhan Reddy. Harshavardhan Reddy, sir, I have received my project details to my another mail account as I finished IBM and NASCOM course. Okay, with college mail, which I am using to attend Sir, not get or smart it login finish also, sir. I didn't get you. Wait, I have Harshavardhan Reddy is saying. Harshavardhan Reddy is saying. Okay, okay, Bhargav, wait. I am facing it starting. I have received my project details. I finished my IBM. Okay. Attend the classes. Okay. You have not received login credentials, just like Ragini and others. Okay. Okay, okay. So you have the same problem like Lokesh. Okay. So don't worry. Don't worry regarding that. Okay. Don't you worry. What we are doing is like Lakshmi also, I think Sai Lakshmi also had same problem. So Sai Lakshmi also had same problem. So let me just Harshvardhan share your email ID once again. Okay. Okay, okay, I understand, man. I understand. Sir, yesterday's recording available now. I don't know. Just check the YouTube channel once, Siddharth. Okay, okay. You are you there, Harshvardhan? Wait. Let me. He's facing a lot of problem. You can speak, Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan, you can talk.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Tell.
Sir, actually, I am his friend. Sir, he was facing with internet network issue. Uh, at starting, he was registered with his personal mail for AML, sir.
Okay, okay.
But he was interested in full stack, so he was registered with another mail, that is college mail, for full stack.
Okay, okay.
And he was completed all NASCOM modules, IBM, and he was now continuing with MongoDB. He not got any smart bridge email from starting onwards.
Okay, okay.
The project mail which was sent by smart interns was sent to personal mail ID, sir, which was registered for AML.
Oh, okay, okay.
So he
Okay,
was
okay.
listening the classes for full stack developer from the starting day, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. So he is receiving everything in personal mail, and the personal mail is registered with AIM.
AML. Yes, sir.
Correct, na? Okay, okay. Wait, just give me a moment. Give me a moment. What is his email ID? He has already written a mail to Team SIP, right?
Yes, sir. From past 1 week onwards, he was sending the mails to Team SIP, sir.
Do you know his email ID?
Yes, sir. Shall I share it or shall I tell, sir?
Post it in Q&A once.
Okay, sir.
Post it in Q&A, and so he has done everything with personal email, which is registered with AI email. Okay. So
Mails are getting for that account, sir, but he did from college mail ID, which was registered for full stack.
Okay, okay. So every certification and everything he has done with personal.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Okay, paste his email ID once in Q&A.
1 second. I have shared it, sir.
Naga Surya Venkata Lakshmi, every project mail would be shared. Don't worry. There is no quiz. Quiz would be tomorrow, Sandeep. Quiz
Sir,
would be
I have
tomorrow.
shared that mail ID 23PA1A4561.
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay, sir.
23PA1. Vishnu College. Wait. Okay, so registered and completed certificates.
project team also he was got mail to personal mail ID, sir.
Okay. Okay. So.
And sir, one another problem, sir. You have mailed to us that project team, no, sir. In that there is one information that for in 48 hours we have to contact college POC. But we are contacting them, but they are telling that there is no information given to us. Then what we should do now, sir?
Oh, okay, that is new information.
Yes, sir.
What's your name? Your CU is from same college only.
Same college and the same full stack developer track only, sir.
Okay. So this is a very big problem. So college Spock is unaware, not aware about what year. Okay, Harshvardhan's friend, I'll see. Okay, I have noted everything down.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, no problem. We are trying our best. Okay, but a lot of students are there, so like we are trying our best that you don't face any problems due to us. In the project, like next week project would be there, so I'll be taking the orientation also. And tomorrow, like some topics are left. Okay, guys. So is it okay if I take tomorrow? What do you say, everyone? Like some topics are left, like integrating with React and all. No, okay, one no. The two okay. Okay, 3, 4 okay. So okay, I will take. Let us see. Otherwise, somebody else would be here. Okay, guys, I'll share the code. And today, like I was a little bit fast. Why? I'll tell you. Because due to like these technical problems and all, we were a little bit behind. So I was trying to do things fast. Okay. So let's see if we can slow things down tomorrow. Okay. Or in project orientation, let's see. But like technical training has been done till now. Okay. And all the main topics have already covered. A little bit testing also we have covered. Only thing is that the connection one, like connecting it with our front end React app. That is the only thing that is remaining. That you see all those get, post, put, delete. We have to activate through our client side, which is React. So that is the only thing that it is remaining. And everyone has the drive. What I will do, I will share the drive. It will have all the code. Okay. It will have all the code from A to Z, all the connection things. Okay. So we will try to do it. Okay. So we'll try to cover all that things. Who is this? Bhavya Shri. Sir, I still full stack man. No, they're showing email. Okay, same problem as Harshvardhan. Okay. Let me see if something can be done. Okay, Lokeshwar Rao wants to speak. Lokeshwar Rao, you want to see? No, Medhavi, you do not have to give. You do not have to give anything. Okay, I am. Tomorrow is a doubt session, and also tomorrow is grand assessment. Everyone, please be present tomorrow for quiz 4 and grand assessment. Okay, and also like one topic has been remaining. We have not connected with the React app. That's it. We will try to connect it. Okay, and see if more doubts have been there or not. Okay. Grand assessment topics, Chetan, whatever we have done till now. Okay. So sorry guys, I'll be closing it. Okay. Tomorrow we will meet. Okay. So the remaining topics as well as the session. What session? The remaining session we have to connect with our React app. Okay. That is how it will be a full stack app. We'll try to connect it, and we'll also make the Pokemon cards and all. Hopefully, we'll try to finish. Okay. So, right. And also, if I have not read messages or anything on LinkedIn or somewhere, okay. So, like I was busy, so I'll try to read it and see. And all of you who have raised doubts today, I'll try to raise it to operations team. So, bye guys. Sorry I could not help everyone. I'm time bound. Okay, bye everyone. I'll try to see tomorrow. Bye guys. Bye everyone. I am trying to close the session. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Thank you for your time. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Bye bye.